Take a deep breath and allow yourself to relax. As you let go of your thoughts and worries, bring your focus to your breath. Feel the air as it enters and exits your body. Let all tension, anxieties and worries ease away. Feel mind, body and spirit calming. This is your time to appreciate the flow of energy that is all things. You may want to sit in quiet, meditative reflection of the upcoming content and suggestions, or you may wish to journal. This is your time. Do what suits you best. Everything is a flow of energy. Everything has a vibration, physicality, thoughts and emotions. Our thoughts, emotions and actions shape the reality we experience. Our thoughts and emotions carry an energetic frequency that extends outwards, linking to comparable frequencies and drawing back to us our dominant thoughts and emotions. It's crucial that we are mindful of this process, since if we concentrate our focus and energy on what we do not want, it will be attracted to us. Put simply, we don't attract what we want, but who we are. For instance, if we want financial abundance, yet we are always focusing on our lack of financial resources, we will experience more lack. Instead, focus on feeling and thinking abundantly. Be grateful for every penny. Be generous with your money and see the financial abundance begin to flow to you. This isn't a magic wand. You will see opportunities to increase your abundance. This could simply be money off bargains, better savings, interest rates, etc. If you're waiting for the lottery win and not seeing all the little blessings, then you are still in the lack mentality. When you emanate confidence, you will naturally encounter situations that allow you to feel confident. If you feel loved and offer love, loving individuals and circumstances will manifest in your life. Similarly, if you recognize your own worth and value the worth of others, you will notice things that reinforce your sense of self-worth. Like attracts like. Be careful what you think and how you show up. And now, whether you're choosing to reflect or journal, let's consider how we can fully embrace and benefit from the law of attraction. Where necessary, I will leave space of 1 minute between suggestions. If you need more time, please pause the video. Foster a consistent attitude of gratitude. Until the gong, focus on raising your vibration through gratitude. Make room for the new. Until the gong, consider what you can let go of to make room for the new. Whether this be attitudes, clearing space in your closet to put your new partner's clothes, clearing space in your garage for a bigger car, for example. Go beyond visualization and imagine with all your senses. Imagine yourself achieving your dreams and aspirations. Completely immerse yourself in the experience, mind, body, and soul, until the gong. Look for the positives in every situation. If a situation isn't resonating with you, look for the lesson, be accepting, and reframe the situation. Be conscious of and identify negative thinking and speech. Reframe these to be positive. The well-known example of glass half full or glass half empty applies. Important as well is to pay attention to the words you speak to yourself. Choose to speak words that are empowering, positive, and full of strength. To achieve your dreams, you must be ready to take action. It's uncommon for a dream to simply appear in your lap without any effort. Usually it necessitates inspired action, which is the fifth universal law. If you're vibrating at the frequency that draws your dreams towards you, opportunities, people, and events will manifest in your life, if only for a season. Until the gong, consider how you can take inspired action towards achieving your goals. Use positive affirmations, but not by rote or in a monotonous way. Feel them, believe them, and see them materialize. Really feel them to be 100% true and your reality now. Keep a journal. Writing down and doodling will get your creative juices flowing and slow down your thought process, giving you time to really experience your aspirations as if they are your reality now. Journaling is also a wonderful tool to look back over and be grateful for all the manifestations that have occurred. Consciously choosing a high vibration opens you up to experience an abundance of positivity in your life. You are an unlimited being. Behave as though there are no boundaries to contain you. Live without fear and see the magic happen. When you're ready, return your attention to your surroundings. Thank you for choosing to meditate or journal with me. My love and appreciation flow to you. Namaste.